tapos last year mo, kumuha ng championship, tapos
Oo, sobrang naman siyempre. Dream goal ko talaga, ultimate dream ko talaga yung maglaro sa pro. So, talagang nag-drop ako, sobrang happy. Talagang hindi ko ma-explain yung feeling ko. Pero, meron pa akong trabaho kailangan tapusin. So, talaga focus muna talaga ako dito. Siguro, darating din naman in the right time para sa akin talaga kasi nagtatrabaho naman ako siguro.
Papasok ng finals last year, hindi maganda yung tapos mo sa finals. Yan, anong mentality mo? Sino man makakalaban mo?
Yun lang sa amin, finals ngayon, siguro hindi mangyayari yung last year. Sabi ko, bibigyan namin sila ng magandang laban ng mga teammate ko. Hindi namin basta-basta ibibigay sa kanila yung championship. Magkatap-tap, magkamatay na sa court. Lahat, bumuhos na namin talaga. At gusto na lang kung sino may mas gusto manalo sa kanya mo.
Kung ikaw pa, hindi kayo mas gusto mo sa final makalaban?
Oo, kasi daming mga issue eh. So, kami nila coach, sabi namin, coach, huwag natin intindihin yan. Basta focus tayo kasi yung mga kalaban natin sa finals. So, kung nanalo, basta lang sa finals. Kasi para makalaban namin sila, para walang issue. So, magandang namin ng, alam mo yung malakas yung kalaban mo.
Ito ko lang, Ray. Coach, yung strong start and stronger third quarter,
Well, actually, the first half, defensively, we're doing a good job. That was a bit, medyo sa bagot na hindi ako happy on the way we were playing offense in the first half. So, everybody was being tentative in taking those shots. So, yun, the nice thing in the second half, we still played good defense, but our offense picked up, especially nung nakashoot si Calvining ng dalawang sunod natin ng 3 points. So, then, si Raka, sinundan, Mark started this game already. So, nag-pick up ng lahat. Everybody started to enjoy the game. San Sebastian Pilipinas.
Remarks sa game niya, Raymond.
Well, as you can see, he really deserves to win the PJ already. Sayang lang, hindi na nakakuha yung 10 blocks. Pero kagandahan nga sa kanya, he didn't really care about. All he wanted was to win the game and to the finals. So, he just has to bring it to the next level, especially in the finals.
So, deliver talaga yung bilang mo na. Sabot na.
Actually, nung
may mga about 3 minutes pa.
Nung sinenya sa amin na 9 blocks na siya, papasok na si Ray. At that time, sabi na referee na hindi na ako pwede naman. So, instead of taking out a lot, I just put out na nakalmasan dahil total naman, he did his job. Like he said, he doesn't care of any award as long as we win the championship. So that's our goal.
Coach, hindi pumutok yung dalawang top scorers ng Pastel Ortoste and Perez. Special attention ba talaga sa dalawang?
Actually, that was already the game plan. We didn't want Ortoste and Perez to do what they're doing the season scoring. Pero minsan pang sinabi ko sa kanila to stop Rivera because Rivera is a great shooter. Lucky that he didn't really catch on fire this season.
This is probably your most dominant performance heading to the finals at the right time.
Ako di ako naniniwala sa pick. So it's basically how you play in the given day. So like, we just have to prepare on the next game. Hope that we can come out strong next to win the play. Kasi ang paniniwala ko lagi sa basketball. Kasi it's not what you do. Yung practice kasi nandiyan na yan. Parang nakulan dyan sa how you play the game. Because there are games that minsan nagsasarili. So you just have to control that. So once you can control that and the players are in sync, we're in good shape.
Coach, anong pakiramdam na yung time before as Coach NC, hindi kayo nakapasok ng series right now, first team sa Latran, in the finals already?
Well, ever since I entered in the trial, ang una sinabi ko sa mga players na it's a totally different team. When I entered Vinil, iba talaga yung dating ng players. Unlike here, I felt welcomed already by the players. Parang silang nag-adjust kagad sa akin. Parang hindi ko nakita yung level na masama loob nila. Except when I came to first practice, pinakita ang valid ako. So I felt good about it. So until now, parang yung mga players na yun, we're the same like on how I started. Hindi ko na nagbago.
What's any preference kung sinong makakalaban sa finals? Or preference on that?
Well, both teams are good and are strong, pero based on yung 2 games nila, it's both close. So it doesn't really matter. Sa akin lang is, we just have to think of ourselves first.
Raymond, siyempre,
Next night na pala.
Thoughts mo sa final?
I thought was na.
Sino gusto mong team? In other words, kalaban, Pedro.
Kahit sino sa kanila kasi sabi naman ni Coach, wala kami pinipiling kalaban. So kung sino man lang, kung sino man lang, kung sino mga katapat namin, ready naman kami. Kasi ready kami lagi ni Coach makakasama.
Siyempre yung last year, yan ang ano po sa pagkatalo nyo last year. Yan ba magandang motivation mo para sa inyo?
Ako sa amin, para nila Mark, yung nandito pa last year na iwan. So parang sariwa pa sa amin yun. So kailangan gusto, ano kami, may gigil kami bumawi talaga. This year talaga nangyayari yung
Kay Mark, yung pa-describe yung focus na ito yung pinaka-focus ng mga players, trabaho mo yun. How did you brought your teammates together para tambakan yung basket?
Siguro kasi pagdating sa practice, ganoon din ako sa kanila. I mean, nagagalit ako. Pero yung galit ko na yun, in-explain ko naman sa kanila kung bakit yung ginagawa ko. I mean, I'm doing that para din sa kanila, para sa team. So, wala lang. Siguro din yung respeto nila sa akin as a team leader and teammate na rin. So, parang okay naman ako dahil sumusunod sila. At the same time nga, sinwerte na rin kami sa mga tira kanina. So, hindi na lumaki yung naman.
Thank you.